puppy, be quiet. All right, guys, I think we got it figured out. Got the knuckles switched back to his original knuckles, and we're gonna go from there. Did a little test drive. I think we're good to go. Fingers crossed, you know how it is.
My car is fixed! My car is fixed!
Nice. What's up, guys?
Very cool. Yeah. That fucker's sick, bro. Like, literally, bro, we had to rip and go gas and come right back.
Nice, yeah, me too. We're on Drift Week, so we're driving our drift cars all around across the country.
Yeah. What's your YouTube channel?
It's Shredder Racing.
I'll look it up.
Cool.
I'm Josh, and that's Jared, my little brother.
Good to meet you guys.
Nice meeting you guys.
Badass, guys. We thought you had fun, huh?
Oh, yeah.
I better get away, man, before I get jealous.
Little fuel stop here, guys. Got a bunch of cars.
I got 2 more achievements. You boys earned these for sure. The rocket ship achievement. Yeah, buddy. We're both having more than 400 horsepower. You also have way less than 3,000 pounds. That's also very fast.
Oh, we got more hoodlums showing up.
Every time you get the base clouds here, I always fall down. Okay, that was next trip. I'll do that. He's like, perimeter. All right, so you get out, get your butt up here first. Okay. Hell yeah, brother. mounts are so reliable. Oh, they're just the best. Second time Max is broken. Ha! I thought Corvettes were reliable. Oh! You got a party light on, so the cops will be like,
I know, right? I was just gonna make fun of you about that shit. What's up, Rob?
your headlights out. Your headlights out, but you got the party lights on still. Party light, we're doing 100.
The headlights just been going?
Yeah, literally. Party mode. Let's go. Can you hold the hood?
Yeah. What's wrong with your car, Max?
We got a fuel pump relay issue, so we're hoping we can just bypass it, clip the wire, throw it to 12 volt, and we'll just send it to the rest of the time.
You got a fire extinguisher?
Yeah, it'll be fine. We might, with a fusible link, we'll use too small a wire, you know? So we've been having fun. And you know what? No cops have stopped. We like watched them drive past. Great. If we were in New York, I would have been pulled over like 10 times. They'd be like, why is your license plate saying this is a Chevy 3500 dually? We got them commercial boys on here. I mean, the cops might stop.
It's like a damn party on the side of the highway here. What's good, guys?
I don't know! Obviously, I have no idea!
So what was it?
It was the fuse for the fuel pump. So yeah, so we sat out here for like an hour digging around with a relay and like an hour and a half. Yeah, putting wires in there.
Good shit, good shit. Hey, you know what?
I put a spare 20 towards the back of your box.
Oh, thank God.
Yeah, you drove some.
Alright, we're back in business. I'm gonna hop into the death trap. Alright, what do you got to say about that, Rob?
Nothing.
It was a fuse. It was just a fuse.
What a jackass.